Hello, my name is Gabe Martin, and I am a freshman here at Baker University, and I am studying history education in the secondary level. I play football here at Baker. I play running back on the football team. I'm number 7, as you can see pictured in this. I planned on being a history teacher because I enjoy history the most, and that always came easiest to me, and it's something I've always enjoyed, and I've had great mentors as history teachers in the past, and I would like to continue that. And then I have my parents pictured above me. Um, they mean a lot to me. They went to go every game this year, even though they live 2 hours away. They came to every game this year, and I love the support from them. And I have two bigger brothers. I don't have a picture of them, but they also mean a lot to me. And also pictured here is my dog Chief. He is 3 years old, even though that does not seem possible now. Um, some hobbies I have is I like to go to the gym. I like to fish and hunt and all those sorts of things. Something like to learn this year in this course is just truly how to understand the technology that goes behind being a teacher and understanding all the things I need to before I go to a classroom and teach. Thank you.